This is how to make money with LootLabs. This is how much I've made so far using LootLabs. I'll show you guys how to make money using LootLabs. First of all, to make money on LootLabs, you have to go on your local browser. Mine is Microsoft Edge. You're gonna search up LootLabs. Once you search up LootLabs, you're gonna see this website over here, lootlabs.gg. You're gonna click this website. Once you're in the website, you're gonna sign up or log in and make an account. Once you're signed up and logged in, you can go to this page over here and click this, make your first monetized link. Once you're in this page, right, all you're gonna do is type your link name. So my link today is going to be just LootLabs link. And I wanna keep my destination and you can set it to LootLabs. I'm going to search lootlabs.gg. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste the link into here. This can be any link. This is the link you want to direct your person to, like your customer to unlock, like someone to unlock the link, you know. Once you've done that, you can just create a folder if you want. I'm just going to keep it order because it doesn't really matter. Click next. Once you're here, you're going to keep your page title. The page title is going to show up over here, like my content locker is going to show up here. You want to keep Loot Labs link. Then I'm going to go down here and go to theme, and I'm going to keep Minecraft. You normally go Minecraft, have a Minecraft YouTube channel, but you can also do Roblox, Space, or SMS, or GTA, or just Classic. Classic's also nice. I'm going to go Classic for this video. Then you can upload the thumbnail or your YouTube link, or just a random image of any kind. So I want to upload an image. The image is going to be over here. It's a little bit cropped because it's tiny space, but it's okay. So then go into your tasks. This is how you make money on LootLabs. So I normally go for profit maximization and not because software products might be annoying because you have to download the software, do that and do that. So let me go for profit maximization. But if you want the full amount of money, go for this one to make the full amount of money. I'm going for profit. I'm going to keep 2 tasks. You can keep up to a max of 5. I'm going to keep 2. I only keep 2 because to make it easier for my person clicking the link. Then when you're here, right, you can keep a link to your YouTube channel or Instagram or whatever. I get my YouTube channel, so just jobs you Dave. Yeah. And then click create new single link. This creates a link to your page. And once you have the link, you can copy the link and do whatever you want with it. I want to keep a link in my Discord server because people might want it. And the Roblox page, I'm just going to keep the link. So once you click this link now, the page will be like this. In this page, you have to do this to unlock the link. Or go here and download the best gaming browser, Opera GX. And people probably going to download Opera GX and unlock the link and get access to lootlabs.gg. Just like that. Links at the same time by clicking this. Keeping your link name and doing this. I'll keep like link maybe. Next. I'm choosing the theme and tasks and everything. So if you can set up any payment information, you can click this right here and you can click your profile picture right here and it will take you to your stuff where you can keep your PayPal, bank transfer and everything. You can do everything like that, set up payment information. Right now I've made a bunch of links. Yeah. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Have a good day.